Hello everyone, this is a set review on the Lego City donut truck. So, start with minifigures. So this lady here has nothing too uncommon, this police woman here, with money. Over here is the donut chef. Nothing. Haven't seen that print before or that hat, but apart from that, nothing uncommon there. As for the actual truck, it's simple 6 wide. Yeah, sorry. Just trying to get the right angle. Yeah, it's simple 6 wide, nothing too special up here. Driving compartment. In here is the kitchen thing, if I can get a bit of view of that. Yeah. And space for this figure here to go in. So, yeah. That's what it looks like. Yeah. Anyway, please. That's about it. Oh, this donut thing here does spin. Those prints, I don't know if they're new or not. That surprisingly is a print. There's actually no stickers to this set, which is quite good actually. Anyway, please comment, rate, like, and subscribe.